Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic GIGI. Today we're going to do just a quick little Dutch pour, and of course my favorite of colors is pink themed. So I will show you the colors as we go, and it's just my regular Dutch pour recipe: 2 ounces Floetrol, 1 ounce paint, ½ ounce water, and same with the base paint. And my base paint is Cleric's titanium white, and on one half, and then the other half is Amsterdam's Persian rose for the other part. So that's how my colors are mixed. And also, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, welcome here. I hope you come back for more. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for the support and the love and coming back for more. All right, guys, I will let you watch. It's a quick one, but please leave me a like, share this video if you like it. Anything helps. It all helps. All right, guys, I will let you watch. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, she is done. I love the way the colors turned out and the way it just gives it a nice pop. It gives it nice contrast, and the cells are so cool. Love it. I love that bright pink. It makes it pop. Okay, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea how much I love your love and support and how much I appreciate it. Um, if you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And hit the like button if you liked it and share the video. It helps me out. Um, Also, if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or sorry, you are on YouTube, or TikTok. I have all of those in the description below, on top of coupon codes and everything I use on my videos in my Amazon shop. I have all the links in the description below, so go check out those goodies and let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. And until next time, thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks.